Hello friends, welcome to Team Knowledge channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable clone apps or dual apps in Redmi Note 11 Pro or Note 11 Pro Plus. So if you want to enable dual WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook Messenger in Redmi Note 11 Pro or Pro Plus, first of all just tap on settings and go to dual application settings. And also don't forget to subscribe if you are first time on this channel. And just watch complete video to enable dual applications in Redmi Note 11 or Note 11 Pro Plus.